Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on April the 18th, 2024, and we have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 puzzles in the afternoon. So, let me start with this one. Yes, 3 Stars Sudoku number 8385. 8385. Before start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. 29 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. So this one has 4 digits more. So is this really a 3 stars? Well, I don't think so. Maybe it's a 0 stars. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. There's a lot of 4s. Let me start with 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left, the row below. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Okay. Alright. Then, let me see. Then. How about the 1 in this column? Third column. 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers now. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in the first column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the last row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. Cannot continue with the 2. 2. Okay, let me wait then. 3 in the first column, 3 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Then let me see. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this third column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Alright. How about the number? Let me see which number I can pick. 2, okay. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The 9 and the 2 missing numbers in the first column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. 9, 9, okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes and there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. Alright, then 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 1 and 2, okay. I need a 3 here. Well, in this row, we need a 3. 5 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. Well, we see a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Then, let me see. 6. Yeah. How about the number 9 and the 6? Need a 6 here. Okay, now need a 7 here. And I need a 9, need a 6 also. Come on. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then let me see. Need an 8 here. Need 8 here. Okay. Yeah. Well, we have a pair. The 8 and the 9 in this column. The 8 and the 9 in the last column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Okay. Then do we have all the 2s? No. Well, in this row, we need a 2. In this row. Here can it be a 2? We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. And here can be 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this row should be there. Alright. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 2 here. 2. Alright. Then, let me see. Let me see. 7, 7. 7. Come on. 1, 1. And I need 4, 8, 5. Need a 1 there. Okay. Well, in this column, the last column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Here can be a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. Here can be a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the last column should be there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 6 should be there. 1, 1, need a 2. Then 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 7. I need a 7 here. Come on, come on, come on. 7 in the last row. 7 in a row above. So on that row, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, so we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8 and 9. Well, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this last row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and then 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Okay. Then 1 and a 7. We have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 6 should be there. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 now in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes at there. So we have a 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you, 0 stars. Should be faster than 14, 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of 4 Stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.